Hey guys, it's me, Sebi, Scarlett, and my dad. We're gonna crack open these really old rocks and we're gonna see what's inside of them. And we have these tools, a hammer. Where's the little, and we have nails, and we have these things to like get into it.
Wait, I think we forgot something over there.
And we're gonna first hit it with the hammer. That didn't do anything. You try.
Yeah, the hammer's not gonna get through it, I don't think. So, I think we'll have to use one of these to try to pop it open.
With what?
With my hammer.
Okay.
Wait,
Should we use Scarlett's?
Where? Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, Scarlett. We're gonna pop yours open, but you've got to get your glasses on.
I just hurt my hand with that.
Alright, you ready, guys?
No.
Did it do anything?
Yeah, it's popping in.
Oh.
Let me do the rest.
Hold on, Dino.
Can I do the rest?
Hold on.
No, I want to do this.
It just broke our tool.
Oh my
God.
That's
Ooh, see? Yeah, it's hot from all the friction. Oh,
oh
sorry, honey.
jeez, it is hot.
Alright, hold on now. Hold on. Sebi, not near her head, please.
Wait, there's more.
Alright, no, give me, hold on. Yeah, but Sebastian, give me that. The blue piece. Alright, hold on a second.
That was funny.
Back up a little bit, okay?
Oh yeah, that's getting in. Oh! Oh my gosh. Look. They're like little baby crystals.
They're all
There's
crystals.
like a hole in there.
Scarlett, do you want to
Wait,
break
I
it again?
took a piece of off.
Oh, you have a piece in your hand.
That's so cool.
Scarlett, do you want to crack it again, or do you want to keep it like that?
No, I want to crack it again.
Yeah, of course you do.
Wait, I need
Here,
a
can
hand.
you
Let's
do
get
mine?
these. The nails will not work, guys. Okay. All right, we're gonna. Well,
Watch out.
hold on a second. So take the pieces that already, right? Take those so you have them. But we're gonna break open Sebastian's quick. Okay. Hold on,
Let me
Scarlett.
see your- Oh,
Hold on, Scarlett. Notice everybody that we have glasses on for this.
Whoa.
Okay, Peanut, hold on.
I just got little pieces out. Sebi, I got more.
oh, it's hot.
There you go. Look at
Whoa.
Scarlett. Look at Sebi's.
Look at this.
Ooh,
A piece
Sebastian,
of-
look at this one. This is a cool one. Look at this one.
Oh. Look at this
Whoa.
one.
What did I just do?
I think you already you smashed it to the point where. Here, ready?
Yeah,
Look,
Back
I
up.
got a crystal.
Everybody has their eye gear on.
I got it.
Should we give a giveaway?
Yeah.
And we're gonna give away one of these pieces. Whoever subscribes, hit the bell,
Mine.
and leave a comment down
Wait,
below.
crystal.
Bye.